Presenting the Shark-powered lift-away. This powerful small vacuum converts to lift-away. Watch how power is delivered to the unique motorized brush roll. So vacuuming under beds and sofas is easy. With no loss of suction, cleaning stairs and hard-to-reach areas is a breeze. Watch how Shark's complete seal technology makes this Shark even better. Even with a HEPA filter, dust and allergens can escape back into the air. But the combination of Shark's complete seal technology and HEPA filter means that 99.9% of dust and allergens stay locked in. Plus, the controls are up on the handle, so moving from soft to hard flooring is done with the flick of a switch. The amazing Shark-powered lift-away 3-in-1. Shark Brilliant.
The Air range of vacuums from Vax, Great Britain's leading floor care brand. These slimline vacuums are part of our lightest full-size upright range with no compromise in performance. The Air range of products are easy to transport throughout the home. Featuring multi-cyclonic technology, these lightweight vacuums pick up dust, dirt and pet hair across both carpets and hard floors with no loss of suction. A 3-in-1 dusting, crevice and upholstery tool enables cleaning above the floor. For heightened stair cleaning, an additional stretch hose is included with certain models or available to purchase. With select models, you can use a turbo tool to remove embedded and stubborn pet hair. With large dirt container capacity, clean for longer with less frequent emptying. Powerful, full-size and lightweight, the Air range of vacuums from Vax.
Evo is an upright vacuum cleaner from Hoover with plenty to offer, including long reach, adjustability to suit different floor types and a generous 3-litre capacity. It's been designed for long reach cleaning with a 7-metre cord and a 4.5-metre stretch hose, which is long enough to clean a full 13-step staircase with ease. It comes with a variety of accessories, including a long crevice tool, extension tube and a 2-in-1 dusting brush and furniture nozzle that it can be attached to the 4.5 metre stretch hose for all of those above floor cleaning needs too. One of the great benefits is the versatility of this appliance. Now, by using the dial on the front of the vacuum to raise and lower the height of the brush bar, you can achieve a smooth manoeuvrability on hard surfaces such as lino or kitchen floor tiles, or on carpet. Set the brush bar to a lower position so that the rotating bristles can agitate the pile, loosening the dirt and the debris for a really thorough deep clean. Breeze Evo has a large 3 litre bin capacity, so you won't be emptying the bin every minute, and the bin can be emptied quickly and hygienically with the push of a button. And to top it all off, the Breeze Evo is A+ energy rated, so you'll be saving money and energy whilst getting a really effective clean. A great all-rounder to clean your home from top to bottom, the Breeze Evo upright vacuum cleaner from Hoover.